144, 141. So I was 7, 8 mile an hour down. That would have been
Let's do an 8 tomorrow, and then we'll.
Dude, that would have been the 8.
We'll start getting ready.
That would have been the 8.
All right. That feels really good. Man, dumping the laundry for the first time. It's quite the feeling, that's for sure. Felt different for some reason. I got scared for a second, then I remembered I pulled the chute, and that's just what it feels like. That was the first time ever, so good run. We'll get it back. We got to get the white car ready and hit the first round qualifying with that. And then the second round we'll be back in action with this thing too. So stay tuned.
How'd that feel?
I know. It was different. It scared me for a second because I've never pulled a chute before.
I know.
So I felt it kind of jolt and I was like, wait. I almost thought I put it in reverse for a second when I shifted it into neutral, and then I remembered, no, it's just a chute.
Did you plan?
Hey, you pulled the chute, yo.
Yeah, I did pull the chute, yo.
Little 9:14 run. Looking at the data log.
No, look at this shit, dude. Look at it just lay over. So lazy.
No boost. Where's the boost?
Zero boost. I don't know, we don't have a setting on here.
Time to spice her up.
There we go. Let's see here. At the very peak of the run, it made 2.6 pounds of boost. I don't know if that's right.
Not no index.
It made 5 pounds of boost. That was right when I let off, I'm sorry. 5.1 pounds of boost.
Slowly getting there.
Slowly but surely.
So next run's a 7-second pass.
Yeah, right.
Alright, bud.
I wonder if, okay, here we go.
clean run. That one felt a little faster, not gonna lie. Felt really clean. Maybe it went into the O's. Maybe a high 9.0. I hate getting on the brakes like that though. I might have to pull the chute. I don't know. Haven't driven the car enough yet, or a race car enough faster than what the saline was to know really what it should smell like or feel like on the brakes. That's why I'm just easing into this thing. But yeah, we got to get back. We got first round qualifying for the white car, and then we'll see how that goes, and then we'll be back in this thing probably for one more run before the end of the day. So we'll catch you soon.
Last hit of the day for Cole coming up here. See what he can do. Should go around the same number. We didn't do anything with the tune.
Well, another clean pass. Left the exact same tune up in it. We didn't touch a thing. Still getting the hang of it. It's getting better. It almost felt like it shattered the tires a little bit near the gear change. we'll see what the slip says. But it felt good. We got to get back, get the white car for the last qualifying run of the day. I think Brad Guy's going to run it out, so hopefully it goes A to B and it's going to be fast.
On the gear change though, I wonder if the track's that bad.
Really?
Like, yeah, I could
133,
feel it.
60,
It was on the verge. And it had nothing in it.
381, 330, 582 8th at 122.
The air got better, but
904.5,
still a 9.0 shouldn't,
141.
with no prep, you
Not
know.
as hot either.
Oh, gate, that's where it was. Oh yeah, the air must be getting better.
Dude, your dad's fast is gonna be fast, and is he running it out?
I think so. Wow, 904, 141. So I was 7-8 mile an hour down. That would
Let's
have been
do
my
an 8 tomorrow, and then
Dude, that would have been the
we'll
8.
start getting ready.
That would have been the 8. All right, let's get back.
Oh, it's last fast of the day, 602. Got 60. You only probably push it past first gear, so we're gonna see if we can make a full class here. Here we go.
All right, Pops, good luck. Have some fun.
Thank you.
I'll call you on.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the